Hi, we're here today to give a quick tour of our MachMotion 1000 series mill control. After opening up the software, you're prompted to press cycle start, enable Mach, and home all the axes. So when we do that, it will enable the system, home the axes. You can see that by the green LEDs up here. Start off here, we're in our locked DRO screen. These DROs can't be adjusted, so the fixture offsets are not changing whatsoever. You can view machine coordinates if you would like right there. On the unlocked screen, you are able now to manually adjust the fixture offsets, and like so. You can zero the axes this way, or you can home individual axes. Here we have a feed rate display with override controls or rapid override controls, and then a tool display for the active tool number and diameter or length information from the tool table. Down on the bottom right, we have machine control buttons for mist, coolant, or some auxiliary buttons that can be set up. We also have spindle controls, so you can manually turn on the spindle, set the speed to whatever you'd like. Down on the bottom portion, we have a G-code tab where you can load, edit, close files, and advanced run options tab that also shows the program limits. We also have an MDI tab that you can manually type in G-code lines and then press cycle start to execute. And then lastly, we have an on-screen jogging available. And of course, cycle control buttons, cycle start, feed, hold, stop, reset, and disable and enable. And this is a toolpath display. So whenever a G-code file is loaded, just choose recent and say OK. It loads our toolpath. You can manipulate the toolpath to see different layers and the path that's going to be commanded. So to set this up, we can move the X and Y around. Again, I'm being prompted to be in an unlock screen to modify the fixture offsets. When I go to that, I can set my X, and then if we move the Y up where we're on the edge, set that there. And again, it's setting at that because I have a 200 thou edge diameter. But now my 0 is set, and then of course we can 0 our Z on the part, and we're ready to go. So right now we'd be perfectly fine to hit cycle start and continue. However, let's imagine we wanted to start further into this program along the way. So you can see the white now, it's clicked, it's pressed through the G-code, but I can select run from here. It's going to bring up a prompt, and I'm going to move the X and Y to position first. And then now I'll move the Z down to the correct depth. Turn on the spindle, and we're ready to press cycle start to run from this line of G-code. And that's the end of the program. So again, this is just a simulated demo of how our control works. We'll have further videos explaining tool setup and some of our other functions, but I hope this explains a little bit about how the MachMotion 1000 series mill control operates. Thanks.